Fucking Christ, come on. The more I look on this, the more stress I get. Who the fuck is calling me? Glasses. Welcome back to MB Ventures. The chief inspectors are here. What we're gonna do today is this. And what is this? As you can see from the box, glass. Yup. Sneak peek. In the next episode I'm gonna be doing this, so stay tuned, subscribe, like. Let's go. What you want, huh? What you want? What do you want? And there's the window. Nice one. T-vent, as you can see. Those two panels can be open outside. It really comes only with this, which are the screws for mounting. There is so there's this frame. This frame goes to the inside of the car, and there is a gasket, a rubber, sealing the window to the body. I need to figure out how big I have to cut the hole. Then cut the hole in a new van, of course. That'll be easy, right? And then mount it. Alone, again. Nice. How do I do this? Maybe I'll just make a template out of cardboard. This one could be a good idea. Right? Could be. Maybe. Is this a good idea? Can I? Maybe. I have a better idea, maybe. Just maybe. I would just like to see. It goes like this. In here. So I'm guessing, yeah. I just need to cut around the support. I'd like to be sure before I cut any holes. Seems like it, yeah. So I have to cut those two supports out, here and here on the bottom, and then the panel around the outside like this, and that's it. Oh, I'm stressed as fuck making holes in a new van. First, we need to protect the van from any metal shards. There will be a lot from cutting and grinding, so I'm thinking this will do just fine. Fucking Christ, come on. Can you just stay in place, please? Seems like a cutting station, eh? Maybe I'll close off this part as well with a foil. Do I have a foil? Do I have a foil? That's a good question. What is this? Ooh. Yup. That's a good one. I used to work in construction, like house finishing business. I always hated painting and the prep. But prep is everything. The better the prep, the better the job. So I will prep it properly. There's only one go at this, and I really don't feel like a rusty one. So I did the cutting station like this, close the back of the car with the foil and cover the cabin with some blankets. I really don't want any shards going inside of the walls, causing any rust in the future. So now, this is, I'm so hot, I'm stressing. I don't remember last time I was stressed like this. Really is something. So if you build this, Jesus, if you're building your own van, then good luck. Let's take this extension cord so we can have light and the power for the grinder. Shit. This don't go together. This here, this here. The more I look on this, the more stress I get. So I think we just have to cut safety first. I already had some metal shavings in my eyes, not nice. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. You see, there's a lot. I need a knife to cut this. One out. I'm cutting those away with grinder because this steel, those support beams are much thicker than the panel. And the panel I'm gonna do a jigsaw. What do I do now? How do I want to do this? Yeah, I really came at this without a plan. That's what I do. I just think about the next step and figure it out later. The thing is, I need to mark the shape of the window on the outside of the car and then cut it with a jigsaw on the outside, because here I won't be able to make the turns, or maybe I will. No, but it's not even on this side, so this is how it looks. You can see the holes. Because when you drill, you leave those shards outside of the car, so it's harder to connect the dots. So I can see why this auto method that I saw from one woman on YouTube, banging from the inside. One, it's much more efficient. Who the fuck is calling me? Siema.
Czy ty wycinasz blachę z szlifierą?
Te wsporniki są z grubszego materiału, więc je trzeba było flexem jebnąć.
A, no dobra.
Now I'm gonna tape it around the outside so we don't scratch the paintwork. So it's taped all around. Now the pilot hole for a jigsaw. And now cutting. Jesus, I am so stressed. I'm sweating. Glasses. Ridiculously stressful. Those shards are hot. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. I don't know if that's a good idea, but I don't feel like going to the home for some clothes. Oh my Jesus fucking Christ. Oh. Shit. There's a hole in my van. I have seal shards everywhere, in my hair, in my ears. My forearms are burnt. Happy that's done. And I hope this is nice. And I hope it's gonna fit nicely. I know I have to make some corrections in the corners. Pulsy zjem.
A czym będziesz jadł? Masz łyżkę?
Nie wiem, kurwa.
No.
Zrobię z czegoś. Grab a little snack. But I don't have the fork, so that's my fork. Carried away and put the window in, but I'm not happy with it. I don't know why it doesn't really sit properly. Motherfucker. I can see there is a hole here. Probably, I don't know if you could see it. It's gonna leak there. Is this removable? Should be, right? I can see too much gasket here on the bottom all the way. So either the window is sitting too low or the hole is too big. Which would be fucking disaster. Like it could be a little bit higher. Like this. I'm done for today, I think. Well, I'm not done. Yeah, you can see it's like 1 centimeter gap. This is ridiculous. But I've seen a lot of people had the same issue. And I know I don't have this suction cup thingy for the windows. But I didn't feel like going to the store another time today, so I'm cleaning this now because I want to put some Sikaflex here, so it's not like all flimsy. It's only held by this foamy thing inside, which I don't trust at all because I seen it already on my van peeling off. So I'm gonna leave it now to dry, and in the meantime I can protect the sheet metal. A lot of people using this. It's a Sikaflex primer, but in my case I'm not gluing the window in. I'm gonna screw it with a self-sitting seal, so it's gonna rub against it and it's gonna worn out fast, so no good. I also have this Brunox, but this is for neutralizing rust. I was thinking I can use it. It's like epoxy primer, but it's not gonna stick to the raw metal, or so I heard. So I bought some paint, like outside paint, straight for rust, Hammerite, and I hope it's gonna be enough. Should be. This little sucker is always trying to get passer. I even got matching paint for the car. Nice. Have to actually be really careful not to make any drips. So it's been a couple days since I was last recording. Yes, so there's a lot of play in here, which is is not nice. This is ridiculous. There's always something wrong, eh? I really don't like the quality of this. I have to do modifications to fit it in. I mean, it's usually like that you have to do modifications, but not that big in my opinion. This feels like it's too long. Yeah, I need to trim this, like there's no other way. So here it's okay. Here it's okay. And this one is wrong. I don't know, I have to think. I checked some videos. No one really says about that anything. Basically everyone say that they are not happy with the quality of this window, that they don't fit that nice. If I'm not gonna be able to fit it properly with no leaks with the gasket, with the seal, then I think the last resort would be to take the gasket off and just fucking glue it with Sikaflex. Yeah, like basically perfect, I guess. As you can see here, the seal is not all the way to the edge of the window. Okay, so I just fixed the seal, just heat gun, just a little bit of heat, comes right off. I gain like half a centimeter here on the inside, you can see, and I put it just slightly over the edge of the window, so to maximize the gain. So I have a friend helping me holding the window from the outside, and I'm just installing the clamp. Oh, it's gonna take me some time. Oh, my hand is killing me. I'll pause it right here and show you the final result. Just tighten down all the screws around the inner ring. My hand is... I even tear some skin off it. And let's see how it looks from the outside. I had some problems with fitment. It was sticking out a lot, but now it's basically flush with the body. And here it's nice. It's flush with the top all the way. And those vents just open like this. Nice. All that's left is test it for leaks. No water here, obviously on the top, no water on the bottom. I have to just look inside the framing.